Ta-da! Ice cream with sparkly topping decorations. It looks so yummy! Magic Mimi! Howdy! Welcome to the Magic Mimi channel. On this channel, we're going to have tons of fun with crafts. Yay, 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 yay! It's so hot out. What's wrong, Vivi? It's way too hot. I'm in full-on lazy mode. I want ice cream. I need ice cream. Then why don't we make some? What? Make ice cream? That's right, with crafts. What? For real? So, let's bring him in. Captain Gotcha! Here comes a capsule.
Crank, 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 crank. Crank, 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 crank. Pop!
Ta-da! Sock! Sock ice cream? Huh? Never heard of it. Can you imagine it? All right, everyone. It's time for your favorite Mimi's Magic Craft. It's craft time.
Step 1. Grab and scrunch up some paper towels. Stuff the wad of paper into the heel of the sock. Then roll, roll, roll from the toes all the way down.
Ooh, yay!
Sky's the limit when it comes to funky colors and flavors.
Yay!
Next, you'll need a paper cup and scissors. Cut it just like this. Grab a pen and draw one set of diagonal lines, then another to make a crisscross pattern. Our final ingredient is 1. Expertly placed staple. You turned an ordinary paper cup into an ice cream cone. Oh, it's ice cream. It looks so yummy!
Wow, wow! It's sock ice cream! One strawberry ice cream coming right up. This is the best! Oh, it's too cute to eat, but I still want to eat it. Hey, Mimi! What is it, Vivi? You know, if we added some toppings, it would be more amazing, don't you think? You're right! It's time to call Captain Gotcha!
Crank, 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 crank.
Pop!
Stickers! Wow! Glitter and decorations! Ooh, they're so sparkly! They look just like toppings! Let's decorate! Let's decorate!
Load up the ice cream with oodles of toppings. You're in charge. Big, small, cute, cool, pile on whatever looks good to you.
Ta-da! Ice cream with sparkly topping decorations. Here's jeweled mint ice cream, strawberry ice cream, and blueberry ice cream. May I take your order? 1 cone with blueberry ice cream and strawberry ice cream and rainbow and orange ice cream with extra glitter, please. Isn't that a little too much? You don't get it. Life is better when you go a little overboard. Are you really sure about this? Hum, 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 hum. Hum, 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 hum. Ah! Brain freeze! See? I told you! Brain freeze! Everyone, be careful not to eat too much ice cream. Today was so much fun. You should all try making your own sock ice cream too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up too. Bye!